Hello, I'm Skillor Jr. and welcome to my channel. If you are new here, subscribe and turn on the notification bell. In this tutorial I will teach you how to design a simple but attractive social media post. Now let's dive into it. Create a new layer. Set the width and height to 3000 pixels. Set the resolution to 300 and the color mode to RGB. Now click on Create. This is our workspace, so now let's fill it with the color of our choice. To fill in the workspace, you can either use the paint tool as shown in the video or the shortcut, which is Ctrl plus backspace for foreground color or Alt plus backspace for background color. Now select your pen tool and draw a path as shown. This is to help us fill in a specific part of the workspace. There are several ways you can do it, but I think using the pen tool is much more easy. Click on selection and click on OK. Now press Alt backspace on your keyboard to fill in the selected part only. Now press Ctrl D to deselect. Now go to File and select Place Embedded to import your PNG file. Now click on OK or double-click on the file to import. If you are using an older version of Photoshop, hold Shift on your keyboard and drag to resize, but if you are using version 2020, press Alt and drag to resize. Resize your imported file till you are OK. To move the imported picture, select the Move tool or press V on your keyboard. Now select the Text tool or press T on your keyboard. Choose any font style of your choice and the size you think is best for your design. Do not worry about the font I'm using. I will leave the font and the PNG file and any other resource used in the description link below. Now let's create some simple dots to make our design look more catchy. If you don't know how to create dots in Photoshop, I have a tutorial in the description just for you. Now look closely, make sure opacity and flow is at 100%. Decrease the size of the brush and leave hardness to 100%. Play with the spacing till you get the one that fits your design best. Select any color and hold Shift on your keyboard and then drag. You can either duplicate the dots by pressing Ctrl J or using the Move tool and dragging by holding the Alt button. Now import in your logo and place it on your design. If you don't have a logo or you don't know how to design, I have short tutorials on how to design a simple logo and I will leave the links in the description below. If you need simple logo like mine, you can also order on Fiverr. I do free logo mockups with high resolution. Just check my gigs out. I want to add S to my design since my name starts with an S. This is just to make the design attractive. You can add your own letter or even a logo. Resize it and reduce its opacity just for it to look kind of faded. If you have enjoyed this video, please don't forget to subscribe and turn your notification bell on in order to get notified anytime I upload a new video. Thank you for watching.